How would you like to have an AI system that will literally create an entire ebook for you in seconds? All you gotta do is put in a prompt. This is not like ChatGPT where it's going to create like a little report for you. I'm talking about a complete book with chapters with everything included. If you think that sounds cool, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review and bonus for the children's book PLR pack. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Ham. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can pose successfully. Well, I'm made by Neil over here. Now, if you're new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, you know by now that I'm going to tell you some stale, boring jokes. Yeah, I know. I do that. I tell the same boring jokes day in and day out. You'd think I would learn, but I don't. I keep telling the same things. But hey, I like my jokes, I tell them anyway. Okay, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why is this such a thing? You might ask. Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, I think we've talked about this about 1,000,000 times. He is so irritating. He doesn't stop. Bart, enough. Over and over and over again. Yakety, yakety, yakety with the crap. You'd think he would get over it, but no. Keeps going. Okay, anyway, but seriously. The way these work here. If I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about my mindset and entrepreneurship. Well, thank you so much, Liz. And they see Liz, she really is so sweet that she says that to me every single time. You know, you'd think that she would get a new line also, but hey, I like hearing that, so I don't mind. Okay, but seriously, if you are new, make sure that you, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified of my new videos, like this video, and all that kind of good stuff. But this is enough. And my cat seems to be eager to get back to the pillow because she loves this pillow, by the way. She really wants you to subscribe. Anyway, go ahead and go subscribe. Let me get rid of that thing. Let's move on. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the children's books PLR pack. Now, this is from my friends Trevor and Milan. Now, this is a set of 40 done-for-you children's books. They include the covers, they include the books. You can edit them as you need to. And I'm going to include with this package my course on a brand new AI system that I found that is not like ChatGPT. It's actually better than ChatGPT, I think. And you can actually take the ebooks and enter them into that ChatGPT alternative system and edit them. Now I have included that particular bonus in the past, but I have a brand new bonus I want to show you, which I think you are going to go crazy over. So check this out. So this is a new AI system I found. I'm going to show you exactly how this thing works. It's just so cool to use. Basically, all you're going to do is put in a prompt for a book. Now, so let's go ahead and just put in something like book on how to make money online without any special knowledge, no time, and no money. Okay, and you can put in whatever prompt you like over here. Okay, if you don't want to be public, obviously we click don't make this public. I'm just going to click create book. That's literally all there is to it. Okay, and check this out. It's instantly populating for us the every single chapter of our book. Okay, it is showing us exactly what's going to be in it. Okay, and it's giving us all the different ideas that you can use for this. And you can see here, as we're sitting here, it's actually creating the entire thing. Okay, you can actually see step by step, it's going to create every single chapter of our book instantly. All right, this is truly incredible stuff. I'm going to show you exactly what this new system is, where to find it, how to use it. It is one of the best things I've found in a long, long while. Okay, but let me go ahead and show you a sample of the ebooks you're going to get. So this is one sample. I downloaded a bunch of them. Squirrel and the Magic Tree. And you can, again, edit these ebooks. They come with the illustrations already. There's some coloring books also. All right, but you can take the text from these ebooks and simply paste it in ChatGPT or into the new system that I found for you, and go ahead and tell it, rewrite this. And it's going to rewrite it for you. You can tell it what style you want it to be in. And so you'll have an original book that is not going to end up getting rejected by Amazon or other systems, because if you just put in the book as it is, it will get rejected. Now, of course, if you do want to buy this thing, there is a $5 off coupon. As you can see here, just try to exit and you get that $5 off coupon. Comes up every single time. It's almost impossible not to see it. When you try to exit, it'll pop that thing right up. So, yeah, let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. Yeah, seriously, okay. You tip my hat. I do love when something is done for you, and these are so easy to edit. You literally just copy the thing into ChatGPT or my other system, copy paste, and let it go and edit to make it unique. And of course, you can go ahead and use the covers as they are, or change them as you see fit. And then you can use the new system I found to instantly create your own ebooks. It's truly one of the best products I've seen in a long while. Grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love it.